Is ginger really good for your kidneys? A lot of people add ginger to their tea or food without ever thinking about what it might be doing inside the body. But what if this simple, everyday spice could actually support your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and even help your body flush out toxins? Today, we're going to uncover the truth behind this powerful root. And trust me, some of what you're about to hear might genuinely surprise you. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether ginger is a friend or a foe for your kidney health. But before this, you should understand its introductions. Have you ever wondered if something as small and common as ginger could make a real difference in your kidney health? Many of us use ginger in our tea, our food, or even as a quick home remedy, but very few people actually know what it does inside the body. The kidneys are one of our most important organs. They filter waste, balance fluids, and keep the body clean from the inside. So whatever we eat can either support them or put extra pressure on them. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at ginger, its nutrients, its benefits, and how it may impact your kidneys in ways you probably haven't heard about before. If you care about your kidney health or just want to make better food choices, then this video is for you. So let's dive in and understand what makes ginger such an interesting food when it comes to supporting healthy kidneys. Why kidneys and diet matter. When we talk about kidney health, most people immediately think of medicines, tests, or treatments, but we often forget the biggest factor: our daily diet. Your kidneys work nonstop, day and night, to filter waste, remove toxins, and balance fluids. Every sip you take and every bite you eat eventually passes through them. If your diet is healthy, your kidneys work smoothly. But if your diet is full of inflammatory foods, too much salt, or harmful chemicals, your kidneys end up doing extra work, and over time, this can make them weak. That's why foods like ginger become important to understand. Some foods put pressure on the kidneys, and some may help them work easier. So before adding anything new to your routine, it's important to know how it affects these sensitive organs. This simple awareness can help you protect your kidneys for the long term. What's inside ginger? Nutritional breakdown. Before we look at how ginger affects your kidneys, let's quickly see what this little root actually contains. Even though ginger looks simple from the outside, it's packed with powerful natural compounds. Here's what ginger offers. Gingerol, the main active compound in ginger. It's a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Vitamin C helps strengthen your immune system and protects your cells from damage. Magnesium supports healthy muscles, nerves, and blood circulation. Potassium, small amount, helps control blood pressure, but people with kidney disease need to monitor intake. And natural oils and plant compounds. These support digestion and detox functions in the body. Because of these nutrients, ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and now modern science also confirms that these compounds may offer real benefits, including possible support for your kidneys.
How ginger supports kidney health. All benefits explained in a clear and natural way. Now that we know what's inside ginger, let's understand how it may actually support your kidneys. Ginger has several powerful properties that work inside your body in simple but effective ways. 1. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the silent enemies of kidney health. Over time, it weakens kidney tissue and reduces their ability to filter waste. Gingerol, the main active compound in ginger, helps calm inflammation naturally. Think of it as a gentle protector inside your body, helping your kidneys stay healthier for longer. 2. helps manage blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the biggest reasons people develop kidney problems. Ginger may help relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and support stable blood pressure levels. By keeping your blood pressure under control, you reduce stress on your kidneys. 3. Supports detoxification. Your kidneys filter toxins all day long. Ginger helps the body flush out harmful substances more easily, which means your kidneys don't have to work as hard. It's like giving your kidneys a small break, helping them stay strong and healthy. 4. Improves digestion. Good digestion helps your body remove waste smoothly. When digestion is slow or you're constipated, extra toxins can build up, which puts stress on your kidneys. Ginger boosts digestion, reduces gas and bloating, and keeps your system moving, all of which indirectly support kidney health. 5. Natural antibacterial properties. Ginger contains natural compounds that help fight bacteria. This is especially helpful if you're someone who gets urinary tract infections or UTIs often. Untreated UTIs can spread and harm the kidneys. Ginger's antibacterial effects add an extra layer of protection. 6. Boosts immunity. A strong immune system protects your kidneys from infections and inflammation. Ginger contains antioxidants and vitamin C, which help keep your immune system active and ready to fight illness. Practical tips: how to use ginger safely. Ginger is powerful, but like anything in your diet, it works best when used correctly. Here are some simple tips. Use it in moderation. A small amount daily is usually enough. You don't need very strong or large ginger doses. Best ways to consume ginger: ginger tea, lightly cooked ginger in meals, ginger mixed in warm water, ginger with lemon and honey if allowed. These are gentle on your stomach and safe for most people. Avoid strong concentrated shots. If you take strong ginger shots or heavy doses, it can irritate your stomach or affect certain medications.
If you have chronic kidney disease or CKD, be careful. Always talk to your doctor. Because ginger contains active ingredients, your doctor will tell you the right amount for your condition. Monitor potassium intake. Ginger has a small amount of potassium. Most people are fine, but those with CKD need to watch their potassium levels. Start slowly. If you're adding ginger for the first time, start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. Conclusion: ginger may be a helpful addition to a kidney-friendly diet because of its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and detoxifying properties. It supports digestion, boosts immunity, and may help maintain healthy blood pressure, all of which are important for protecting your kidneys. But remember, moderation is key, especially for people with existing kidney problems. Always follow your healthcare provider's advice before making big changes to your diet. So the next time you add ginger to your tea or meal, remind yourself you're not just adding flavor. You might be giving your kidneys a small but powerful natural boost. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple health tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.